Hello friends, today we will learn how to create a questionnaire on Google Forms. So let us start. First of all, you will open Google and you will go to these icons which is about Google Apps, and as you click here you will get this kind of menu, drop down menu, and you will click here on Drive. This is Google Drive. You will click here and after that you will get a screen like this, and you will click here on New. As you click here you will get a menu like this, and on this menu you will go to Google Forms from More, and at Google Forms you will get again two options. One is of template and another is of blank forms. I am using blank form here. As per requirement, template can also be used. As you click, then you will get the next screen like this. This is a screen where you will create your form. It will look like this, and you will write first here title of your questionnaire. For example, here I have taken like questionnaire of impact of corona on small business. You can write description also here, like I have written, for example, dear sir or ma'am, I Pankaj Agrawal, Professor RBMI, is conducting a research like this. You will write about this questionnaire, and here you will write the name of your file, and this is the place where you will write your questions. Like this, I have added first question. The first question is what is your name? I have written here, and you will get these options like what type of question is this, whether it is short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, etc., etc. Various options are available. You can select as per your requirement. I have selected this question as short answer because it is open-ended. The respondents will write their name. And second question I have added here, are you allowed to produce during lockdown? This is third question which I have added, and here I have selected that this is multiple choice question. These are the various options which will also help you in designing of your question and questionnaire. Like for example, here if you want to add a particular image, then image can also be added. Here these options I have noted down. First is yes and another is no. Like this we can add the options for our questions. These are also the options which are available, like if you want to delete any question, from here you can delete. Here the copy is available. If you want to copy this question, then this question will be copied. If you want to make this question mandatory, then you will click here at required option and you will activate it. Then this will be mandatory for the respondent to give answer. After that only they can move forward. Like this you will write various questions, and then you will go to the setting options, and from this setting options you will get icon like this, and here you will click first on general. Then I have clicked here that collect email addresses, because here I will collect the email of all the respondents so that the further communication if required can be done. Then second option is about presentation. This is about message, confirmation message. Here I have written thank you for your valuable response. This message will be shown to the respondents once they have filled the questionnaire. After that I have saved this form and I went to the next option, that is about sending of the form. As you click here, you will get this type of icon, and here it is possible for you to email this questionnaire to the respondents if you have their emails, or this is for link. If you want to copy the link, then link can also be copied. It gives you the option to share it on the Facebook, Twitter, etc. on various social media platforms. This questionnaire can be floated. This is the subject which will be shown in the email, and like this you will make the questionnaire. You will create a form on Google Forms, and this is about response. The persons who are responding to your questionnaire, to your forms, will be recorded automatically in this file, and once you are getting the responses, you can get the progress also. And if you click here on responses, then it will show, this screen will show the various responses, and here the responses will come into various forms. Like they can come into the form of responses of the individual respondents, they can come in the form of summary also, and this Excel sheet can also be formed, and Excel sheet can also be downloaded for further research. This type of pie charts will be shown as per the requirement on this sheet. Like this you can create the questionnaire, and it will be helpful for your research purpose. Thank you so much.